রেডি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু। কে কে গ্রামে ঈদ করতেছেন অবশ্যই জানাবেন, কে কে কুরবানি দিচ্ছেন অবশ্যই জানাবেন। ঈদ মুবারক।
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. So if you're watching, this is Hassan. So you know very well because I have uploaded his video on my Facebook profile if you're watching this video. And again, Eid Mubarak for the Eid ul Azha. Keep learn English. Don't pause your learning stage because you know the very important thing is that if you pause today, so tomorrow you will feel that you are in lacking. So if you're watching this video, Eid ul Azha Mubarak, and also I will say your Kurbani will be really peaceful and will be really godful like this. If you're watching, so thank you so much and see you for the next one. And again, while you're watching this video, don't forget to mention below the comment section and bye bye and Eid Mubarak. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।